City.
Hello you guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. This is NK, the first New York City vlog of 2024. I feel like there's some updates that I need to share. I am wearing my natural hair. I'm not drinking. I feel good. I've been reading a lot. I've been going to the gym. I've just been doing things that I know historically make me feel better. We're gonna head out the door, but first we have to do a fit check. The outfit that I decided on, gold. I've never taken it off. I just felt like I wanted to wear brown. Let's go.
You'll be proud of me. I'm on time. I've been doing a good job at like being semi on time. I just got really hungry.
Everything looks literally so good.
Girl dinner.
Chicken wings, fries,
Mac and cheese.
period.
It was so good. Omar's Kitchen shout out. Very fun vibe actually.
Oh yeah, it's lit as fuck.
The DJs. The birthday party.
Good morning, happy Sunday. Woke up around 8:30. A little recap of last night, Omar's Kitchen. Really good food. The only con, I would say, the DJ is so loud that you can't really have a conversation without yelling. Good music though. It's not really the place to go have a conversation. It's really just for the vibes and good food. Had a mocktail. I still only have one mocktail. I didn't see like a mocktail menu. They brought out something really good. Sundays, I feel like I reserve them for my like reset days. I need groceries, need to clean my apartment. I guess it always just gets really messy by the end of the week. My YouTube video is going up today. By the time you're watching this, it will already be up. My apartment tour, my current apartment tour. I'm talking you through everything that's in the apartment and where I got it from. I took my time with editing it and making it really special and something I can look back on. Remember that this was my very first New York apartment, which makes me really happy. A few people did formally request for me to host a New York City apartment tour. So for the people who requested it, I hope you guys go watch it. I am in my reading era. I have been loving reading recently. I'm here for it, especially because it's hibernation season right now in New York. So I'll just be spending my time reading instead of like going out. Let's get to it. Let it be known, January 14th, 2024, I am eligible to be monetized on YouTube. The ultimate goal was to get monetized, but I love sharing my life and I love editing and I love creating stories. That has always been a passion of mine for years and years before I even touched YouTube. We're here today because of you, so thank you guys. Fit check for Trader Joe's. Matching sweat set. I honestly want to get more sweat sets in 2024. That's the vibe I'm on. Under here I'm wearing my thermal heat tech layers. These New Balances are just amazing. AirPods for the walk. Seatbelt bag. I talk about this all the time because I love it. Wearing my big coat because it is cold. 35 degrees. It's chilly. We are bundled up. Had my gloves.
It's cold, but something about walking in the morning feels so nice.
It's 11:57, so I made it in pretty good time. I wanted to just start taking everything out of my Trader Joe's bags. Probably veering on closer to 2 weeks. I spent $124. I'm gonna see how fast I can put everything away. I'm the biggest proponent on fresh flowers, so I always get them probably every few weeks. And I got yellow tulips to really represent happiness. I feel like yellow is like the most happy color. Got the video up. I just have this energy to start cleaning. Instead of waiting until the end of the day, I'm just gonna clean now so that I can literally just relax for the rest of the day. New angle of the apartment unlocked. I don't know why I've never filmed here. I'm pretty much done cleaning. All I have to do is finish Swiffering the apartment and then take out my trash. So now I basically have the rest of the day to just chill. I'm gonna eat lunch, I'm gonna sit on the couch and just have a nice, slow Sunday. I feel like that is exactly what I need. I decided to change. I just heated up leftovers that I made last week. I'm gonna watch TV. I'm gonna just chill. The half up, half down pony has been one of my favorite things for so long. What do we think? Let me know. November 9th by Colleen Hoover. It's a very good book. There was a bundle of 4 different books from her. Ugly Love, Verity, and It Ends With Us. Hello, good morning. Happy Monday. Happy I'm okay day. 7:49 a.m. I woke up early, despite literally taking melatonin, filming a little series about waking up early. My goal is to wake up at 6 a.m. every day, well, barring the weekends most likely. On the weekdays, I want to be a 6 a.m. girly. I have my AG1 right there. I'm gonna drink ice rolling because I just get so puffy in the morning. This is a gua sha tool and it's really for your jaw. Oh my God. Okay, 24 degrees. I'm a little scared. Moving here, this is the coolest weather I've ever experienced in my life. I've been hearing about the Geneva app. I wanted to find more people who match my energy, but also do things that I like doing. I love podcasts. I find a lot of comfort and inspiration from them. And some of the podcasts I love to listen to, they have Geneva group chats. Some of the girls who are from the podcast group chat who live in New York. We're gonna go to brunch. I'm looking forward to it. Meeting new people is a very high priority on my list of things I wanna do this year. I'm about to enter year 2 living in New York, like my sophomore year, as they say. Let me be very clear. I don't wanna just cultivate new people in my life. I wanna cultivate people who fit. It's a good fit for my lifestyle and what I want to do. Welcome to day 3 of the vlog. Let's get today started. You guys, yesterday I applied for the YouTube partner program and it said we'll hear back in a month. It wasn't even 24 hours. I got accepted. I do not take any of this for granted. I do not take this community for granted. YouTube has made me feel so much more empowered. We did it. We did it. We did it. I'm ready to go to my walk and brunch. I put my heat tech on under my jeans too, and then I have 2 pairs of socks and my Uggs. I just really didn't want hat hair. I feel like this is truly as warm as I could be. I have to talk to you guys about the saga. So right now I'm in Bluestone Lane with the girls. We've been waiting for an hour. I am starving because I did not eat because obviously I'm waiting for brunch, but I think our table is almost ready. That's good. I'm back from my outing. I was supposed to actually be on a date right now. It's 3 p.m. The guy canceled very last minute. I know I just met the girls, but they are so sweet and right up my alley, if that makes sense. And I feel like I have been itching to find people who get it. They just get it and I don't have to explain myself. We spent 3 hours together. I just have a really good feeling about getting to know them and we already have like a really good foundation. Dating update. I feel hopeful for 2024 and obviously 2024 just started. Not trying to get too ahead of myself, but the ball's in his court and I'm just not really gonna like pursue it. And actually that's kind of how I've been feeling. That's my 2024 mantra for dating. I'm not saying that I'm not gonna try. I'm not saying I'm not gonna put myself out there, but I'm not trying so hard. I am simply letting myself be pursued because that's what I want in general. I don't want to feel like I'm bending over backwards to get someone to go on a date with me. That's never been me. Took the time to reorganize my YouTube page, made a lot of playlists, things are organized and I feel good about it. I think it's the perfect time to also say that I will be formally posting YouTube videos twice a week. My schedule for the foreseeable future, Wednesday and Sunday at noon Eastern time. If you enjoy watching my videos, you can definitely look forward to a video from me on those days. I already have videos filmed, just need to go edit those and schedule them out. 2024 feels so good in terms of YouTube. I can feel it. I'm so excited. I'm happy to be here and I'm happy that you're here. So thank you again for being here because without you, I would not be here. So I love you. If you're new here, please subscribe so that you see all my upcoming videos. Turn on post notifications so you get notified every time I post. Make sure to thumbs up this video because that also helps me a lot. Leave a comment. I love responding to comments. That is actually my favorite part of YouTube, is talking to you guys. I literally have responded to every single comment I've ever gotten. Always feel free to leave a comment. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.